new tutorial, guys. Today I will show you how you can update your existing affiliate ID on your WooZone website, or I will see you how you can add a multiple ID to your existing website. For that, you just need to log in to your WordPress dashboard. After that, you will see this type of backend of your WordPress website. After that, just go to WooZone settings. After that, you will see this kind of page. Just press I config. So once it login, you can update your existing ID, or you can add simply new ID here. And also, if you want to add a multiple ID on a product page, like here you can see, at this time we have only one option. On this website you can see we have a one option. So if you want to add a multiple option for this product, you can simply add a new ID here and just press the button, save the setting. After that, you will see now it's showing only a one country, but when you refresh this page, you will see now we have two options. Like we added a two affiliate IDs, so we will see our two option on product pages. One is for USA and another one is for Canada. So as you can see, now these settings are updated. So now you just need to refresh this page. You will see an extra option for Canada and USA both. So this is how you can update your Amazon ID. Also, if you have some products which are fetching from WP automatic, so here is the settings. Here you can update your IDs. As you can see, now we have two options, USA and Canada both. Also, if you are fetching some products from ClickBank using WP automatic, you can add your affiliate ID here. You just need to copy and paste your affiliate ID here, and after that it will start automatically fetch ClickBank products to your website. I hope in this short video I will answer your questions. If you still have any query about this, like how you can update IDs, so you can comment it down below to this video. I will happy to answer your questions. Thank you.